Listen, project management is really based on one of my two favorite things is teamwork and collaboration. And what this book is about, what I had to come down here and grab for you, family, is communication with stakeholders. Listen, again, pick this book up if you haven't yet. It is, I might drop the link in there. It depends. Just ping me and see. And I want to see the series. This is for serious people that are making a transition from their current career or are a project manager. Because I'm speaking about the mindset. I'm speaking about just becoming better, 1% better. This is not the end all be all, but it's the starter kit. It's the one that's going to help you get to the next level if you choose to implement. Hey, I don't want to promise or make any guarantees because, again, I don't want you guys to come after me. So I'll just say that I truly believe this is the next thing up. And I want to thank Phil for pushing me to not sit back and wait. Well, let me do it this way. No, he said, let's go now. I said, let's go. Anyway, I digress. But the point I'm trying to make, family, is that these key words, teamwork, collaboration, and effective communication is really what's going to drive the actual project. Let's move on to point number 3.